Hi guys, welcome to our Wix Studio series. Today we are going to talk about the Discover page on your Wix Studio workspace. If you're new to Wix Studio, then this video is for you. And why is that? The Discover page is where you can explore, learn, and get inspired. Here you can find informative tutorials, see updates and releases, explore through their interactive sandboxes to help you practice and experiment with Studio Editor functionalities and more. Let's talk about them one by one, starting with the Wix Studio tutorials. Here on the Discover button, you'll have the Watch Video Tutorials section. If you wish to view all tutorials, you can click here and it will open in a new tab where you'll get a library of everything you need to know about Wix Studio. So if you're still uncertain about making the switch and are too overwhelmed to try, there's no need to worry because here you'll find step-by-step demonstrations to help guide you in navigating the workspace, how to use advanced features to help you bring your powerful and functional website to life. Next, let's talk about the Follow Updates and Releases section. So never miss what's new because here on the Discover page, you'll always be in the loop with Wix Studio's latest updates, events, and releases. And most importantly, you can experience the editor with interactive sandboxes. Explore Wix Studio features with its interactive sandboxes and become an expert by learning advanced features through hands on experience and exercises, ensuring you efficiently and truly learn and master its features and capabilities. And that's a wrap for today. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and consider subscribing for more Wix tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next video.